Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Novita Hidayati from MICE University Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. I will review the Journal of Management Research and Analysis by author Sipra Kumari and Rajiv Kumar with a title Green Hospital and a Necessity, Not Option. Introduction. Green building principle are revolutionizing building practices and are emergency as a response to growing concern over pollution and environmental damage, increasing awareness and acceptance of climate change, decreasing resources, increasing cost of energy, and increasing demand for sustainability in building design and construction. The Richard Green Hospital. This strategy reduced building operation costs by 8.9%, increasing building value by 7.5%, and increased occupation ratio by 3.5%. Definition: Green hospital from healthcare without harm. A green and healthy hospital is the one that promotes public health by continuously reducing its environmental impact and ultimately eliminating its contribution to the burden of disease. From WHO, hospital which is responsive to local climate conditions with optimizing energy use. This is several elements of green hospital. The first element, green building design. While there are many green design principles, the core concept often focus on the production of use of energy, water resources, the use of solar energy to improve electricity generation and reduce use of electricity, improve aeration, climate features, the long impact building material, the consideration of the life cycle of the facility. The second element, construction material and practices. A strong focus should be placed on integrating recycled content building material and locally harvested and manufactured material into the project. The third element, volatile organic compounds, are emitted as gases from certain solids or liquids. VOCs include a variety of chemicals, some of which may have short and long-term health effects. The fourth element, life cycle impact of building material, reduces the environmental impact of the material and product employed across the life cycle of the facility. The fifth element, energy. Reducing energy use a key focus for green designers, especially when the considering ventilation and lighting. The sixth element, improving aeration and quality. Improving aeration in all occupied area in facility and striving to attain high air quality through effective construction protocol and designs. The seven elements, water use. Green design focus on efficient water use, rainwater harvesting, use fixtures that conserve water, wastewater treatment and recycling, green roofing, and control of stormwater release. The eight elements, solar heating and cooling. Passive solar heating and cooling is supported by site design to select. Use a site that maximizes passive solar heating and cooling opportunities. The ninth element, waste management. Health facilities can cut waste and emission through composting, recycling, better purchasing, minimizing packaging, using reusable rather than disposable products, and buying recycled products, minimizing waste transport. These are several barriers to create green hospital. The first one, system redundancy. Backup system to make sure that operations do not cease during emergency. The second, regulatory compliance. The third, operational hours. Health facility function uninterrupted throughout the years. The fourth, infection control. The fifth, ventilation rates. More frequent air changes are required in hospital as compared to other commercial office spaces. The second barrier, accreditation and licensing demands. The seven, intensive energy and water use. The eight, high volume waste stream. 9, chemical use. Hazard chemical use to clean and disinfect sterile equipment. The 10, life cycle, the historian of hospital building. The conclusion from this journal, to build a green hospital need one, economic consideration, labor skill and training, regional economic benefits, saving through energy reduction, life cycle cost planning, capital costs, and maintenance burden. The second, environment consideration, use of an specification of sustainable, responsible material, energy efficient in design, water use management in construction and design, carbon reduction efficiency in plant, waste management in reuse, and minimizing overordering, managing noisy, vibration, transport disruption to local environs, avoiding pollution locally during construction, water and airborne. The third, community consideration, consulting and presentation health and safety on and around site, managing disruption to ongoing hospital facility, holistic and the best practice design and healthy environment and the faster healing. Supporting green initiative goes beyond building design and material. A sustainable facility that respects its full-time and temporary occupant as well as the earth. How about implementation green hospital in Indonesia? Green hospital in Dr. Cipto Mangunkusumo National Center Park Hospital. The indicator with the most percentage are location and landscape, hospital structure, water efficient, and food processing, and air quality with 100%. And the indicator with the less percentage are energy efficient with 64.3%. From the Persahabatan Hospital Jakarta, implement energy resource efficiency in their strategic policy. And on Kabupaten Batang Hospital shows that efforts have been made in the hospital to create a food and beverage sanitation program and educate the implementers of green hospital. In Indonesia, has extraordinary natural resource potential, namely sunlight, water, forest, and clean air, which need to be optimized and preserved for the sustainability of hospitals that are more environment friendly for patients and all hospital employees. The green hospital concept can be the answer the future challenge regarding climate change, energy efficient, and a better hospital environment for patient recovery. In the future, green hospital will become a necessity. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.